On this video, I want to show you how to generate a jar file in order to use deep learning for Java in your AnyLogic models. You will need the deep learning for Java libraries, but unfortunately, you can't just download them. You have to generate them. To generate them, we will use this one, intelliJ. You can download it from jetbrains.com. You can find your ID here. Here, intelliJ idea, and you can download the community version, which is free and open source, and that's it. When you download it, you will see this window, and you can just create a new project. This new project's objective is to generate the jar file that will contain all the deeplearning4J libraries. So let's click next. Here your group ID is generally related to your organization. Let's call .org.norjax, which is my company, and let's call this deeplearning4J. And let's choose the location. You can choose anything you want. I will choose this folder I created in my desktop, and that's it. So here we have our empty project, which has some stuff, some external libraries, but we need to first get the libraries that we need. So there's this file here where you can define your dependencies. So let's add dependencies here, and we need to find where those dependencies are. So if we go back to our browser, we can go to mfnrepository.com and we can search for deeplearning4J, and we will use the core one here and the latest version, which is the beta 6, and you can just copy all this stuff and place it here. With this done, you can just re-import, and this will add some external libraries that you can see here, deeplearning4J, and some other stuff. So this is what we need. Now we need to generate the jar. So let's add here in main a package, new package. Let's call it org.dl4j. And here we generate a class. Let's call it deeplearning4J. And that is it. Now, with this done, we need to generate in the project structure an artifact. We'll add the artifact from a jar, from the models with dependencies, the ones we just created. So OK and OK. And this is it. The only thing that we're missing here is we need to build the artifacts. So you click here on build, and now you have to wait a little bit because it takes a while for the software to do everything and to download everything and to build everything. So after a few minutes, when you have all this built, you can go to out artifacts and DL4J, and you will find this jar file that is what you need to train your models and to use your this in AnyLogic. So this is the first step you need in order to build your work environment.